So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great and fine. So here I would like to address 3 or 4 issues that the students are facing. First is about verification result. Second is about the examination timetable. Third is whether examination will be conducted home based or center based or offline examination. Fourth point is in case of online examination, we have to prepare for the mock test and when our mock test will be available on the website. So these are the 4 issues institute has to address as soon as possible, because many people are worried about all these 4 issues. First is about verification result, because there is still no official announcement whether our verification result will be declared on that date. So that's why students are facing a problem, like if many people are not clear the examination of any single group or both group because of 1 mark, so they are worried much, because they have to manage their time as well, because in case of their failure in verification result, they have to prepare from the zero for that subject. So at least institute has to give us a verification result as soon as possible. So that is my humble request to the institute. Please provide a verification result as soon as possible, so that students can prepare accordingly. Second point is about mock test, because in case of online examination we have to prepare for a mock test, because in case of online examination there may be a slider change in the paper pattern as well. To understand the paper pattern, we have to prepare for the mock test. In case of typing, we have to prepare for the typing, because our typing skill required there. So in case of online examination, we have to prepare more and more on the mock test. So in case of online examination, when our mock test will be issued, so before deciding for the online examination, the institute has to provide a probable date for the examination, because we don't know our examination will be at the end of August, in the first week of September. So in case of institute has allowing notify us about the probable date, so that we can prepare accordingly, because many people have shifted from single group to both group because of reschedule of examination. So in case of shifting from one group to both group, it is very difficult to manage all the subjects. So that if the students are knowing that our examination will start from that date, so that they can manage the revision, their first time reading, their second time reading. So that is my humble request to the institute. Please release a notification about probable date of examination, about online examination, about offline examination, the mode of examination, because still I have not seen any official announcement about the mode of examination, because the number of cases are decreasing day by day recently. So we may have a offline examination mode as well, online, home based, center based, all the options are available with the institute. So institute has to at least give a notification about mode of examination, so that we can prepare accordingly, because I have seen the same issue in the last year, where I have faced the same issue. Because of the online examination, we have to shift from offline to offline, so there is a change in paper pattern as well. So because of that, we have to prepare for the mock test. Without preparing for the mock test, it will be difficult for us to go in online examination and write all the paper. So prepare for the mock test as well in case of online examination. So these are my humble request to the institute. Please provide a notification about notification circular or whatever it is officially, so that students can prepare accordingly. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. So share this video if you feel so, and like the video if you feel so, and if you are new on channel, then make sure you press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So thank you, bye bye, and take care, and all the best for examination. Thank you.